Interestingly, banana flour was first produced in Jamaica as an alternative for the expensive wheat flour back then in the early 20th century. And what I found out about this banana flour in broilers is very helpful for us even today. I didn't believe it at first either. How could something as simple as a banana flour, the same bananas every farmer has in the backyard, can actually replace maize in broiler feed and cut costs by 20% while birds grew faster? I'd been raising broilers and crafting feed formulas for years. I knew the game: maize soybean formulations, commercial concentrates, the usual stuff. But then something happened that made me rethink everything about broiler nutrition and profitability. Let me take you back. Week 3 of my batch, 200 birds at 21 days. I just bought maize at 7,000 shillings per bag, up from 5,000 2 months earlier, watching my profit margin disappear with every price increase. Feed conversion was decent, birds hitting expected weights at 3 weeks, but feed cost was killing me. Every cycle, spending more on maize while selling price stayed flat, and I knew if this continued, I'd be raising chickens just to break even or worse. That's the trap most broiler farmers face. Decent performance, but terrible economics, because maize prices fluctuate wildly and we have no control. Now, any experienced farmer knows energy is everything in broiler production. Maize has always been the go-to energy ingredient. So one afternoon, frustrated with prices, I decided to do my research as always, and I came across something that stopped me. Banana flour can actually be used in broiler feeds, and that birds grew just as fast, sometimes faster. I thought it was a joke. I felt challenged to test it. So I did it. I collected fresh green banana from the farm, washed them, chopped into thin slices, dried under shade 3 days, ground into powder. I formulated a test batch replacing 20% of maize with banana flour, mixed thoroughly, started feeding 1 pen of 50 birds while keeping 50 on normal formula. By day 28, I couldn't believe it. Birds on banana flour feed ate more consistently, droppings looked better, and when weighed, averaged 1.3 kilograms versus 1.2 in control. By day 35, banana flour group averaged 2.1 kilograms while control was 1.9. 200 grams heavier, better intake, no health issues, and I'd cut feed cost by 18% because banana flour cost almost nothing compared to maize at 7,000 per bag. What was going on? If you're with me and want to know how to use banana flours to cut costs and boost performance, hit that like button. Let me know where you're watching from, and if this saves you money, subscribe, because we're building a community of profitable broiler farmers who refuse to let feed costs destroy their businesses. What's in a banana flour? It's a nutritional powerhouse. The banana flour contains 3,440 kilocalories per kilogram, higher than maize at 3,100, meaning more energy per unit of feed. It has 3.51% crude fiber, low enough for easy digestion while preventing constipation. It contains protein, minerals, especially potassium, and prebiotics like oligosaccharides that feed beneficial gut bacteria and produce digestive enzymes naturally. But what does that mean for your broilers? Broilers grow based on how efficiently they convert feed energy into weight. When you replace maize with banana flour, you're increasing energy while improving gut health through prebiotics that standard maize doesn't provide. Energy isn't the only benefit. Second major advantage is improved feed intake. Critical because if birds don't eat enough, they don't grow. Many grains contain anti-nutritive factors like tannins, phytates, oxalates that reduce palatability and decrease consumption. Banana flour contains very low levels of these compounds. Birds find feed more palatable and eat more consistently. Research shows broilers on banana flour diets maintain higher daily intake compared to standard maize formulations, and higher intake during critical growth weeks 2 to 5 translates directly into heavier market weights and better profitability. Third benefit hits your pocket directly: cost reduction and profit improvement. Maize is expensive and fluctuates seasonally, sometimes doubling during shortages, and you have zero control. Banana flour are almost free if you have plants on your farm or community. By substituting 20% of maize with banana flour, you cut maize requirement significantly. If formulating 100 kilograms, normally using 60 kilograms maize, replacing 12 kilograms with banana flour saves real money. At 7,000 per 50 kilogram bag, 12 kilograms costs 1,680, but banana flour costs maybe 200 in labor and drying, saving 1,480 per 100 kilograms, scale across 5 batches yearly with 200 birds each. Serious money saved without compromising performance, actually improving it. Fourth benefit is heat stress management. In hot climates, heat stress is a silent killer. Birds panting eat less, grow slower, have higher mortality. Banana flour contains natural antioxidants, polyphenols, and flavonoids that scavenge free radicals during heat stress, stabilizing physiological condition and reducing oxidative damage. Practically, birds on banana flour feed cope better with heat, maintain consistent intake even during hot afternoons, show less growth suppression during heat waves compared to standard feeds. This matters during dry season when temperatures spike and feed conversion ratios collapse because birds are too stressed to eat. Before I show you how to prepare banana flour, most broiler farmers struggle not from lack of hard work, but lack of information on alternative feed ingredients, cutting costs, and improving performance. Feed companies won't tell you about banana flour because they want you buying expensive concentrates. That's why we created a feed formulation course with more than 80 feed ingredients for poultry, covering alternative energy sources and protein boosters. The course has everything you need to start making your own poultry feed in one weekend. If you get the course, we offer free consultations. The organic poultry ebook is also available, and you can get both of these using the link in description or reach out to me on WhatsApp through the link also in the description. Grab the course and let us help you stop losing money to expensive feed and start earning from your farm. How to prepare and use banana flour is easy and very simple. You just get the mature green bananas, chop them into small slices, and dry them until they become crispy. After that, you grind them into flour and they are ready to be used in poultry feeds. Inclusion rate is 20% of total feed weight. For 100 kilograms broiler feed, include 20 kilograms banana flour powder. 20 kilograms banana flour powder replacing part of maize, providing high energy plus prebiotics. The other ingredients remain the same because it is only maize that we are replacing. Mix thoroughly. Feed from day 14 onwards. For starter days 1 to 14, use 10% banana flour instead of 20 for maximum digestibility. Then increase to 20% from week 3 to market day. Quick wins. If you don't have enough bananas, start with 10%. Work up as you increase production and drying capacity. Can I use ripe bananas? No, avoid them. Always use fresh green bananas. Combine with other alternative feed ingredients? Yes, you can, but you need to make sure that the feed formula is balanced to avoid starving the birds due to nutritional imbalance. Let me leave you with this. Sometimes the most profitable solutions are growing right on your farm. You just need knowledge to recognize them and discipline to process and use them correctly. And that is where our organic poultry ebook will help you. So make sure you check it out in the first link in the description. If this helped you, if it opened your eyes to a solution you didn't know existed, subscribe, hit like, comment whether you have banana plants, and if you're ready to test this. I read every comment. Your feedback helps other farmers wondering if this is real. Don't forget to check out the comprehensive poultry feed formulation, link in description, as I leave you to watch this next video where I will teach you the best alternative feed ingredients to replace maize and soybean meal in chicken feeds to cut the cost of production. Click it and I will see you there.